About to kickstart your export journey? To be able to export products falling in the restricted category from India, you require an export license issued by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade or DGFT. To obtain an export license, gather the following key documents: profile of exporter and importer in ANF1 form, application form for export license of restricted items in ANF2N form, copy of purchase orders or import orders from the importer or a contract agreement between the exporter and importer, application fee receipt, PAN card, identity and address proof, bank certificate. Here's how you can apply for an export license. On the DGFT website, go to the online e-com application section under services. Select restricted item import license or restricted export item. Fill the application online and add all the required details. Once done, mail a copy of the application to export@nic.in in a PDF format and attach mandatory documents. The application is processed by the export cell. Post-screening, the exporter receives a deficiency letter in 3 working days. After submitting required documents or information, the Export-Import Facilitation Committee or EFC reviews the application and sends an authorization letter to the exporter. The exporter must then approach the Jurisdictional Regional Authority or RA of the DGFT with a copy of the permission letter, application and the supporting documents. The regional authority then issues the export license. Be a part of Amazon Global Selling and take your business global.